The power dynamic of the modern workforce just took a turn into the twilight zone. Picture a scenario where the person signing your paycheck doesn't actually have a pulse. It is a digital program making the executive decisions. This is the wild premise behind a new platform called RentAHuman. It aims to create a marketplace where autonomous software agents hire real people for boots-on-the-ground tasks. We are talking about things a computer simply cannot do. It might need someone to show up at a physical event. It might need a delivery across town. It might even need someone to verify that a building actually exists. It sounds like a revolutionary shift in labor, but the reality under the hood looks a lot more like a digital frontier with no sheriff in town. Early adopters are flocking to the site in massive numbers. Yet the actual number of completed jobs is shockingly low. You have thousands of humans waiting for work from a handful of active digital bosses. It is a massive imbalance that smells like hype over substance. When you look at the safety metrics, the red flags start waving immediately. The domain itself is brand new. The people behind the curtain have hidden their identities. Independent trust evaluators are already giving it a bottom-tier rating. There is no track record of reliability here. No regulatory bodies have weighed in yet. There are no mass reports of successful verified payments either. It is a giant experiment with your time and your security. Then there is the issue of how you get paid. Everything runs on cryptocurrency. That introduces a level of volatility that most workers just cannot afford. You might do a job for a certain amount and see that value drop before you can even pay your rent. The lack of safeguards is glaring. There are no traditional labor protections here. If the code glitches or the agent disappears, who do you call? There is no human resources department in a cloud of data. This feels less like a stable career move and more like a high-stakes gamble in a virtual casino. We are seeing a bold model for the future of work, but it lacks the infrastructure to protect the people doing the heavy lifting. The excitement is loud, but the actual proof of concept is whisper quiet. You have to wonder if the people signing up are just data points in someone else's test. It is a fascinating concept on paper. In practice, it looks like a house of cards waiting for a light breeze. Don't let the novelty blind you to the very real risks of an unvetted marketplace. This is a classic case of the technology moving much faster than the ethics or the safety protocols. If you decide to jump in, do it with your eyes wide open. Know that you are essentially a pioneer in a world that hasn't been mapped yet. The promise of autonomy for software shouldn't mean a lack of accountability for the humans involved. We are watching a strange new chapter of the internet unfold. It is messy, it is unproven, and it is definitely not for the faint of heart. Stay skeptical while the rest of the world gets swept up in the buzz of the next big thing. It is not just about a new way to work. It is about who holds the leash when the employer is an algorithm. We are entering a phase where the line between service and exploitation gets very thin. If there is no person to talk to when things go wrong, you are essentially shouting into a void.